Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best bathroom accessories available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have AquaDance High Pressure Shower. You will love ergonomic grip handle of this handheld shower head and 6 full water spray settings that are truly different. The click lever dial makes it easy to change from one setting to another, while rub clean jets make cleaning your shower head easy and effortless. This water-saving pause mode is great for saving water in RVs and boats. Lets you point hand shower where you want it for hands-free operation at desired angle. The extra flexible reinforced 5 feet stainless steel hose for super flexible reach and mobility. At number 6 we have IMAVO Plastic Gift Set. IMAVO bathroom accessories keep your bathrooms. There is a practical bathroom kit consisting of 6 items, namely a soap dispenser pump, a toothbrush holder. Also for a tumbler, a soap dish, a trash can and a toilet brush. In addition to decorating your bathroom, this kit can even bring a unique style to your bathroom. That's making the bathroom tidy and neat. You can be the ideal choice in your bathroom colocation design. This will be a good gift for your lover, family, friends and colleagues and will add life to the bathroom. This set of bathroom accessories adds alluring charm to any bathroom. It is suitable for homes, hotels, office buildings and other uses. It can be pressed by one hand and rebound automatically to press the pump. The cover can close automatically to prevent odor emitting and mosquitoes flying around. At number 5 we have Color and Geometry Bathroom Rug Mat. This bath rugs are constructed of premium microfiber materials. It can absorb 3 times of water in few seconds. This strong adhesion can help keep rugs in place on your floors and protect your family's safety. The mat should be placed on a clean and dry floor. The perfect design will be perfectly matched with the bedroom and bathroom decoration. The smallest is matching half bathroom. At number 4 we have Shashka Bathroom Decor. This humorous bathroom storage box is the perfect decor for your bathroom, restroom, or even to use as a handy diaper storage box in your baby's nursery. This funny bathroom storage tray can also be used as a styling piece in your bathroom or restroom. Each of our pine wood bathroom storage boxes measures 14 by 7 by 3 inches. And will fit snugly onto the cistern lid of your toilet. The size of this toilet storage box is perfect for holding extra rolls of toilet paper for easy access for your guests too. This bathroom storage box will brighten your guests' day when they see it on display. At number 3 we have Mason Jar Bathroom Accessories. You can keeps the bathroom both organized and adds a simple rustic farmhouse style to it. This 16 ounces regular mouth mason jar soap dispenser with stainless steel pump is sturdy and prevents rust and corrosion for longevity. It is perfect for liquid hand soap, dish soap, lotion, aromatherapy, essential oil blends, shampoo. Also for body wash, mouthwash, hand sanitizer, massage oils etc. It is made of durable rust-proof thicker stainless steel. Yokin makes a great display piece with this mason jar flower vase on the bathroom vanity countertop, or any living room, bedroom, kitchen, bar or tabletop. You can create your own warm and romantic atmosphere. The items are functional and long-lasting to use. The basket is perfect for storage on the top of the toilet. At number 2 we have Fapully Bathroom Wall Mounted. The sleek and functional hook comes with contemporary design for hanging bathrobe, coat, hand towel, sponges. This towel holder comes with open side design for ease of hanging up towels. The hook of the holding bar keeps paper from falling off. It is for use in the bath as well as the kitchen for hanging towels and more. This stainless steel keeps the surface spotless with maximum maintenance. At number 1 we have LKKL Bathroom Dispenser. The bathroom organizer vanity tray is made of high-quality resin which is much stronger and more sturdy. It is perfect for holding your cosmetics, jewelry, perfumes for your countertop. The multifunctional bathroom mason jars with 5 pieces can be used in any places of your house. It is ideal bathroom accessory set for home decor, bathroom decor and farmhouse decor. It come with 2 cute Q-tip holder and the lid sits correctly on top of the jars, not screw onto jars. It is easy to open with one hand and quick access to Q-tip and cotton balls. The bathroom vanity countertop accessory set is made of high-quality resin with a nice weight, non-cheap plastic. The bathroom accessories will not break easily compared to glass and ceramics sets. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best bathroom accessories for your need.